In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com for beginners. Whether you're jumping into project management for the first time or simply looking to get organized, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate and set up your Monday.com workspace effectively. Let's dive right in. First off, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button. Click on that. You should be prompted to choose an email address associated with your account. Go ahead and select the email you plan on working with for this session. Now that you're logged in, you'll notice a pre-made board on the left side of the screen. To start fresh, you'll want to remove this board and prepare for a clean slate. Move your cursor to the three dots that appear next to the board's name, which reveals a menu of options. From this menu, select Delete. This ensures you are starting with a workspace that is completely your own, tailored to your specific needs. Our next step is to create a workspace foundation for all your project management needs. Click on the main workspace. Once you're inside, look for the option to select New Workspace. Click on that and a prompt will appear asking you to name your workspace. Give it a name that is relevant to the kinds of projects or activities you'll be managing here. Once you've typed in the name, click on Create Workspace to set it up officially. Now with your workspace ready, it's time to create your very own board where you'll track tasks and projects. To do this, locate the blue plus sign button that's sitting right beside your newly created workspace and click on it. Another menu will pop up and you'll want to select Board. This is where the magic happens. It's where you'll get to see your projects come to life. After you've clicked on Board, it's time to give your board a name. Choose something that reflects the tasks or projects it will contain. A good board name can help you and your team stay organized and on the same page. Once you have settled on a name, look for the Create Board button to finalize this step. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your workspace and created your first board in Monday.com. This process will help you manage and track all your tasks more effectively. Don't forget, this is just the beginning. There are plenty of customization options you can explore to really harness the power of Monday.com as a project management tool. Thank you for watching today's guide on getting started with Monday.com. Be sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials, and happy organizing.